of course, itong isa pa, peace is a continuing process. That is why when we talk of peace process, it does not end. It does not have an ending. There is no sad ending. There is no happy ending. Peace is a continuing process. It is a work in progress. When do you say that we have achieved peace? That is abnormal kung sabihin mo mayroong katapusan ng peace. Because life sometimes very challenging and life is sometimes very unfair. No, there is no ending to peace. It is a continuing process. Number 3, alam ko na is, narinig na ninyo ito, pero merong ibig sabihin, working outside the box. Let's be more creative. Hanap tayo ng paraan. The good thing with Bangsamoro is hindi sila nauubusan ng mga alternative. Diba? Mula gera pa rin, ngayon gera sa politics. Hindi na uubusan yan. Matagal na nakikipag-gera, marami na namatay sa kanila, pero andyan pa rin because resistance does not stop. Hanggang yung gusto natin ay nandun. Ito ma'am, dito ako maniniwala 100%. Political power emanates from economic power. If you are poor, you don't have power. Kaya nga tayo palaging inaapi kasi kaya nila tayong hilahilahin. They exploit our poverty. Alam niyo sila niya mga malalaki politician yan. They will not like us to be like them. Kasi wala na silang mautusan. Wala na silang madaog-daog pa sa Bisaya. So kinahanglan kita ra. Hanggang dyan ka lang sa level na yan. Ayaw ka pag-apit up to the effect. Parehas na ta. Kontra pa ka kita ron, no? So power emanates from economic power. So those who have the means can make influence. Yan ang gusto natin mangyari sa community. No? By empowering them, una, paano mabuhay, at least we have to live their economic well-being so that they can gradually gain political influence and power. Kasi for as long as we are poor, and you look at today, sino ba yung nagpapakamatay? Ginamit ng mga politician, yung mga mahirap. Diba? Kahit nasa drugs, sino namamatay Lord? Warlord. So poverty is a best tool to maintain influence and power. Number 5. Tama. I-refer ko pa ito sa Commission on Human Rights. Yung experience ng New Zealand sa kanilang paniniwala, natural resources have human rights. And I agree. Well, this can be like a joke, but you know what happened to Bagyo? Dahil sa Sierra Madre, nag-protect ng kanyang rights, nawala yung mata ng Bagyo. Kung bumagsak siya sa Sierra Madre, siguro sabi ng Sierra Madre, I will assert my human rights against the Bagyo. Anong ibig sabihin ito? Ang pagkakaintindi ko, huwag natin sirain ang ating tubig, mga ilaw, yung mga kakahuyan na yan, meron silang karapatan kasi may papel sila sa lipunan at saka sa mundo. Ito na yung last na concept na naabot ko. Plurality of identity. Ano yung ibig sabihin yan? Dapat pala tayo ay multi-talented. Hindi lang isa ang alam natin. Pwede kang maging leader, no? Katulad sabi ni Ustads, pwede kang maging revolutionary, pwede ka rin maging mayor, no? Pwede ka rin maging ano pa. So, yung identity mo means marami kang pwedeng gawin. So, dapat din tayo siguro Bangsamoro, i-apply natin yung mga ganun na possibilities. Yung naabutan ko lang na nasulat ko, Mandayan, in terms of key approaches and strategies.